Hi friends, I'm Ms Eye Leater, and today we're making a super simple and refreshing leafy green smoothie that's full of natural goodness. Let's take a look at everything we'll need. A healthy lifestyle starts in the kitchen, and this recipe is the perfect way to begin your day. First, let's go over the ingredients. Everything you see here is packed with vitamins. Our recipe today is the Leafy Green Smoothie. It's simple, fast, and delicious. You'll need 2 skinless oranges and 1 handful of fresh collard greens. Add 1 cup of ice and 1 large cored apple. Cut into pieces with the skin on for extra fiber. Try to use all organic items whenever you can for the best results and purest flavor. It's important to add the items to the blender in the same order shown in the list. Finally, we'll blend everything together until it's perfectly smooth. These ingredients work together to give you natural energy, fiber, and freshness. It's a small choice that makes a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Now let's add everything to the blender in the same order shown on the board. We start with the oranges. The liquid and fiber at the bottom help the blades work better. Next, we add that handful of nutrient-packed collard greens right on top. These greens are fantastic for your health and add a beautiful color to our smoothie. Then comes the ice. This will make our smoothie refreshing and cold. The ice helps achieve that perfect chilled consistency we're looking for. Finally, we add our large cored apple cut into pieces with the skin still on. The apple adds a natural sweetness and even more fiber to our blend. This order helps everything blend smoothly and evenly, soft items first, then harder ones. It prevents the blades from getting stuck and ensures a creamy texture every time. Make sure the lid is tight. Now we are ready to turn this into a smoothie. Now we blend the ingredients until everything is smooth and creamy. Watch that green color come to life. It only takes a few moments to get that perfect silky consistency. Look at that! And that's it, a fresh leafy green smoothie you can enjoy anytime. Simple, right? I hope you enjoy your healthy treat. Look forward to more fun videos at Eyeliter 28. See you next time.